Hello, my name is Katrina Lawton and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use table of standard body measurements. So this book provides you two tables for standard body measurements. On page 24, table 2.5 represents the length of the human body, and on page 25, table 4.3 represents width of the human body. And to draft the patterns, you will require both of those elements to draft successfully. So is in table 4.2, as you see, the color coded with the table 4.3, and all the calculation is based and related to the chest. So if you look the tables carefully, you will see the colors, which is chest colors, related with the next table, which is then you will choose the appropriate table. For example, if we go for the chest measurement 42 inches, again I would like to mention that this includes metrical and imperial systems, so please do choose one which is you would like to use and stick with that. So if I use in 42 chest, which is that a pinkish color, and then go up to next table, and then so you will record that particular arm length, which is represent the length of the body, and then you will record everything what's in this particular table there, which will be height, back nape to waist, outside leg to ground, and inside leg to ground, which is again represents the length of the body. I also included the ideal weight of the body, because in this modern days, the human body, which is modern men's body, is related to the weight as well and how it's distributed. So it's I find it's very helpful. Now, so these two tables you can use to compare your measurements if you think it's certain measurements you're questioning. Also, if you don't have a vital measurements, however, you must have at least 2 or 3 measurements, which is definitely height, because then we will know what the guide will go, and you will need a chest and an additional waist measurement. So first you find what's the measurement as the height you will have, for example 5'9", which is 1 meter 75 centimeters. So therefore you will record everything in this table. So the arm length provides 2 separate measurements, just choose one, it's absolutely fine, either of them it will be accurate. So then you will choose and go for the chest measurement. So for example, your chest measurement is 38, therefore you will record all other measurements if you don't have any other additional measurements. So you record those in the blue column. So for example, if your waist measurements, and you have the waist measurements, is different size to whatever it's proposed in the box. So for example, I go for it's in the pink, which is so it's quite a thin, a small measurement, so 71 centimeters, so 28 inches. So therefore you need to record several measurements, so different measurements to the previous one. So you will record a chest measurement, or if that's the case, you will record neck in that column. So if that's a stick in that measurement, you will record neck, across back, and you will record the around knee, and around wrist, you will record that measurement. So if you are following the chest different waist measurements, which is 71 centimeter or 28 inches, then you will record hip measurement, you will record the across around knee measurement, below knee and around calf measurements. So you cross those measurements, you will record them to get the more accurate information for your body. So I hope that will help and make sense. However, you will also can find that information which is I just mentioned in on the page 22 and 23, and it gives you a short explanation how to use this table, and also it will provide you the information on what to record clearly. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope I see you in the next film. Thank you. Bye.